Hello and welcome to another quick update about Coti. I know a lot of you guys like Coti, and we have actually broken out of that descending wedge, which I did say, along the way here that it is looking like a breakout pattern to the upside, descending wedge, rather a bullish pattern where we've been making lower lows and lower highs, but the lower lows were basically the curve here, or the line here was less steep than the upper leg. So we were coming down. A few days ago, we looked like we were going to break out, and I did make a video on that. It looked like a breakout. Coti finally moving, but that was a fake out. I did say in previous videos how volatile Coti is, and at the time, to be honest, we didn't have the volume. Look at the volume when we broke out here, and look at the volume when we broke out yesterday. And this seems to be a genuine breakout. We managed to get above the previous highs here. Yeah, actually over a few highs. And now we seem to find resistance at the 20-day moving average here, which is currently at around 52 cents. So as you can see here with this wick, we already touched it, came down again. And I think we're now consolidating bullish after that move here to the upside. And again, Coti has performed a little bit poorly over the last few weeks. Was really caught in this descending wedge, and hopefully from here we can continue our way to the upside. There are a few levels to watch out for. In my opinion, we've got the 52.8 level, 52.8 cents. Then we've got 55 cents, even here 56 and a half, 61 cents. And I think when we are there, we take it from there and take a look where we are. But the 61 is a key one here. I think there are a lot of levels now to cross since we have retraced quite a long time. But it's looking good, here on the daily. Let me go to the daily. On the daily, we obviously have come down quite far. You can see it on the RSI that we have actually come down quite far. We found now support on the 50 line of the RSI. And from here, we have really a lot of scope to move further up. If I zoom in further, the last time that we started a pump, we were pretty much at the 50 level as well. Now, when that happened, we really had some nice price increases. We had some profits of over 100%, so way over 100%. So, I'm not saying that needs to happen again because we're already at a higher level now, but it is possible. There is a lot of scope to the upside, certainly. Now, on the MACD, we are going to have, if that continues, that move to the upside, we are going to have a buy signal soon. Seems like the MACD line is going to have a reversal here now with the latest price increase. And while we have volume and the volume is going up, we're not at these levels yet where we really had a big pump. Yeah, we are much rather here before we actually started that big pump. There were some notable price increases at the time as well. So yeah, we are. I think we are looking good now that we broke out, but we need to continue our way above the previous highs. As I said, if we can't do that, we will certainly drop further. We obviously have now this former resistance line of the triangle of the descending wedge as support, but key support levels are still, of course, the 46.5 cents and the 50-day moving average down here at 45.5. Sorry, did I say, yeah, 46.5 is that horizontal, and 45.5 is currently the 50-day moving average. That will also provide support should we really drop further, but it's looking good at the moment. We're moving alongside with many other cryptos that haven't performed that well over the last few weeks, and I think it's good for everybody to see that Coti finally seems to break out of that descending wedge, and it's the first time that we've actually had a candle close, a daily candle close above that upper leg of that descending wedge. That hasn't happened before since we actually came into this wedge. I would say the wedge started on 29th of September, and since then we haven't really had a daily close above it. Now, if we take the height of that wedge, which oftentimes is referred to as the target for that one, that could take us to the previous all-time high, which is at 65 cents. So I think we can get there. Just need a bit of patience now, but Coti can move quickly. We've seen that before. It's highly volatile, can move very quickly if it starts to gain momentum. So yeah, be ready, I think. Potentially there might be a bit of sideways move, but we have a lot of scope now to the upside, and we need that momentum to start building. As soon as we see that and the volume come in, we can really go to previous all-time high territory, in my opinion. Okay, so hopefully you liked that update. If you did, please smash the like button. And if you want more content like that, then please subscribe and let me know in the comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.